So you want to buy a Cessna 337 Skymaster. I get it, I do. Quite a unique airplane. In many ways, especially looks. Twins are often beautiful. Some, nay, most of the best looking planes are twins. Some twins are downright gorgeous. What were we talking about again? Oh right, Skymaster. It's a twin, and it looks, well, unique. The whole point of the inline thrust is to eliminate asymmetric thrust during an engine failure in what I'll call a regular twin. Losing an engine in a regular twin is like water skiing with one arm. It's tough to keep straight, which is a non-issue in a Skymaster. A Skymaster with one engine keeps pushing, or pulling, right down the middle. The inline thrust twin isn't a new idea. Check out this creature, the Siemens Schuckert from 1914, just 7 years after the Wright brothers. So, inline thrust. Great idea. Then why has there only been one commercially successful design? That's hard to say for sure, but we can speculate. First, noise. On a twin, the engines are stuck out on the wings, far from the passengers, and vibrations in the cockpit are limited to those that make it through the wing into the fuselage. On a single, the engine is literally right in front of your face and vibrating the fuselage directly. Skymaster is a Continental IO 360 sandwich, and you're the meat. You gotta be careful it doesn't rattle your dental fillings right out of your head. What's more is that the air entering the rear propeller is already chewed to pieces from the front propeller and creates a sound that's, well, give this a listen. Here's a Baron. Seneca. And the Skymaster. Eesh. Remember, noise-canceling headphones didn't exist back when these planes were being sold. Next is baggage space. Regular twins have hollow noses and tails. In a Skymaster, you have to cram your change of underwear somewhere else. Performance is fine, but not a huge selling feature compared to other twins, which burn about 20 gallons an hour, like the Duchess or Seminole. I should mention, there are many versions of the 337. These numbers are an average of the non-turbo, non-pressurized versions. Unfortunately, another reason our plucky little inline thrust design didn't catch on is maintenance. On a regular twin, the engines are stuck out, floating almost, in front of the wings. Remove all the cowls and you've got great access to all sides. Also, designers have lots of room to put stuff out there. Not so on the Skymaster. These planes are infamous for tightly packed and hard to access systems. And unique also means less experience overall amongst service shops. So maintenance is expensive. Overhauls go for about $37,000 each right now, and the TBO is 1,500 hours. At 38-foot wingspan, fitting in a T-hanger will be tight, but it's possible. Fuel prices, scary potential maintenance, and the availability of very high performance, relatively efficient singles pushes the prices of all piston twins down. It's not uncommon to find 337s for sale at less than $100,000. Once in a while you'll see them reach over $200,000, but I'd expect a steak dinner with that. I know I haven't painted the rosiest picture here, but when you think about it, inline thrust is a well-known design that's been around for a long time. All the plane manufacturers know it exists, but were either unable to make a commercially successful version or weren't compelled enough to even try. But despite all that, there's no denying that the 337 works. It was a success, and there's over 2,000 of them built. Even though wing-mounted engines has become the de facto twin design, the underdog Skymaster is still out there flying, annoying everybody in earshot. That's the Cessna 337 Skymaster. Thank you for watching. Big thank you for subscribing, and the biggest possible thank you to the members of the channel. See you in the next.